Well, it's been on the books for quite some time, but plea bargaining is rarely utilized. And now collaboration between the Attorney General's office and 4 criminal justice experts from the National Center for State Courts in the United States looks to put the system to use and help chip away at the lingering case backlog. We get that story tonight from Janae and Noel-Ferguson.
There are 800 murder cases that have yet to be prosecuted.
William Webb, United States federal judge, a part of a team hoping to assist legal stakeholders in the Bahamas, says with more use of the plea bargaining agreement, that number stands to decrease significantly.
It frees up the courts and the judges to turn their attention to more serious cases. If you can move through the system some of the less serious cases, then you have the capacity to handle more of the more serious cases.
Program manager with the National Center for State Courts in the United States adds that the U.S. has done well with this deal with a 90% success rate for their criminal cases. She feels the Bahamas can do the same.
And so we're hoping today that we can send a positive message about plea bargaining, talk about ways to do it in an efficient and fair manner that respects the rights of victims as well as defendants.
Now, defense attorney like Calvin Seymour is already seeing positive results for the use of a plea bargaining agreement.
It does appear to do some speedy trials cases out of the system. I've had the experiences of using it to my advantage or the defense advantage so that he can know his faith at an early stage. We find that sometimes there are some difficulties, some feedback between us and AG's office, but again, they are things that can be worked out.
Meanwhile, consultant in the Attorney General's office, Cleopatra Christie, says this can be a beneficial tool, provided that all parties